Okay, well, while we're talking about organization, I'm not particularly organized right now, but it's better than it was. My husband was kind enough to put these shelves in for me in this open space. We actually had a wall taken out. This piece right here that you can see right here, you can see where it ends right there. This was a wall between the kitchen and the hallway. We can't go back any farther than that because there's pipes in that wall, just like we can't go up any higher with my cabinets there because there are water pipes in that little soffit area. So we couldn't go up with the cabinets and we couldn't go back any farther to take that all out to make the counter go all the way over. But at least it gave me a little bit more space. This is my back door that we don't need anymore because we built new back doors in the other room. And so this had ended here and had this big space. And it just somehow just looks more finished now that it's got the shelves in there. Jim did this for me for Mother's Day. But these are the cabinets he did for us. When we moved in, then for many years, this door opened up here for the back door, and right here, coming from here to this little corner here, was a closet. Your typical closet with an 18-inch door, 24 inches wide inside, 24 inches deep, and everything always got buried because you couldn't get to anything. So what we did was we decided to turn it around this direction so we would get the depth, and it doesn't go all the way out so it doesn't take up as much floor space. And Jim built these floor to ceiling, pretty much, floor to ceiling IKEA cabinetry that we designed, we configured. And so they're probably not really tidy inside, but I'm going to show you anyway. They slide open, and then you have, my garbage bags are up here, so you can always just pull a trash bag from here. My Walmart bags get stacked here. I've got some things here. Rices and other things go here. And my Bob's Red Mill, my Tupperware. Used to be a Tupperware manager. And they're labeled on the front so you can see the beans and rice go there, and the oils and things go there, and the tea and the honey and the vanilla and things go there, and then I've got extras grains and things down here. So down here I have my tea bags and honey and some other things down there. All of my oils are on this next shelf. That got dumped over. There we go. We've got my vanilla that's steeping, different kinds of oils here. This is for my son-in-law when he makes cookies. He likes to have that shortening. He makes the most amazing chocolate chip cookies. And then I have grains down here. Soft clothes. Go to the next one. This one has at the top, it has that chocolate chip bin is empty. We need to refill it because we've got some more stashed elsewhere. We've got wheat, we've got milk powder and things like that. We've got grains and beans in here. I have not finished labeling them. You can see what a dud I am at doing this. They've got sticky notes stuck to them, some of them. Then you get to our flax and corn and some of our others. And I actually have a plan for organizing the pantry. I just stopped partway through, so it did have a plan. Everything is categorized. This is my Trim Healthy Mama shelf. It has my baking blend, my almond flour, my gentle sweet, oat fiber, wheat protein, and coconut flour on here, and then some other things in the back. Over here we have some grains. Again, my fancy labeling, my spelt, my millet, barley, soft wheat, 7-grain, oat groats. And then in the bottom I have, usually this is full of grain. I spazzed out and filled them both with all-purpose flour by accident, so when I'm done emptying one of those, then I'll change it back to white wheat. For right now, the white wheat is stored in other bins. So anyway, so this is it, and eventually then this grid of this window, this door is going to get closed in from the other side, so it'll still look like a door from here, so if anybody ever wants to reopen this, they can. But we'll close it off on the other side with glass. And then this grid will come out, so it'll just be a window. And then I would like to have a shelf put in, maybe right up around here, a glass shelf, and then another one above put my pretty bowls on. And then I can put my mixer over here and have my mill over here and get my counter cleaned off so that I don't have two mixers sitting on my counter. So those are my dreams. What are yours?